Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. My name is Saif Kalpe, and to start with this, let me introduce myself. My current qualification is BTech in Chemical Engineering, and currently I'm pursuing MSc in Mathematics from IIT Guwahati. I have cracked IIT JAM exam with All India rank 74, and currently I'm here. My future hobby is to pursue PhD in modern algebra. Let us continue with this field. Now, the topic that we are going to do today is linear equation in one variable. So, first of all, what do you mean by that one variable? Before starting with one variable, what is actually this word variable? What is the definition of this word, and what do you mean by this word? So, okay, let me consider this 2x plus 1. So now what I will say that put x is equal to 1 in this equation. What do you get when you put x is equal to 1? It's easy, like 2 times 1 plus 1. I have just substituted 1 in place of x. You see x here, I have just substituted x as 1 in this equation. So it is 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2 and 1 plus 1 is this. 2 plus 1 we get as 3. Now just put x is equal to 2 in that same equation. What I have done is putting 2 is equal to x is equal to 2 in this equation. Okay, so it will be 2 times 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 times 2 is nothing but 4, and just add 1 in that we get 5. So putting different or substituting different values of x, we get different values of 2x plus 1. Correct? When uh, when I substitute x is equal to 1, the value of 2x plus 1 that I got is 3. While when I substitute x is equal to 2, the value of 2x plus 1 I got is 5. So this x here acts as a variable. I can vary x. I can vary the value of x so that I can get different values of 2x plus 1. So have you understood the term one variable, like variable? Okay. Now one variable means I have an equation. I have an equation. What is an equation? An equation is nothing but an a simple expression in which you uh, put an input and you get an output for some values. Like 2x plus 1 was an equation, x was an input, and what I got was an output. Like 3 was an output, 5 was an output for inputs, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Now, what we are doing here is linear equations in one variable. So, linear equation is nothing but an equation having a degree of variable one. So, what is the degree of variable? Like variable was x in the equation 2x plus 1. The power to which this x is raised, here x is raised by the power 1 only. So, when we raise the variable to the power 1, it is a linear equation. Okay, so 2x plus 1 is a linear equation. Similarly, 5x plus 3 is also a linear equation. I can say that any equation of the form ax plus b is a linear equation. Okay, because x has a degree or power 1 here, and a and b can be any number. You can take any number of your choice. Suppose you want 19 as a. Okay, so 19x plus, suppose you let 13 as b. So 19x plus 13 is also a linear equation. We generally avoid taking a and b both 0 at the same time. Okay, so a and b are not equal to 0, because as we put a and b 0 simultaneously, it will be 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. So that wouldn't make any sense to it. Okay, so we generally don't take AB as 0 simultaneously. So have you got the idea about the linear equation in one variable? Okay, that are the equations having only one variable in them. Similarly, talking about linear equations in two variable, again, since there was one variable, we it was only x. Now there are two variables. So consider x and y as two variables. Okay, so I am writing an equation 2x plus 5y. So this is a linear equation in two variable. Now recall, what is a linear equation? A linear equation is the one having the degree of variable as 1. So the degree of x or the power of x is 1 here. Similarly, the power of y is also 1 here. So it is a linear equation in two variables because there are two variables here. So any linear equation of the form ax plus by plus c, where c is any constant number. You can take a, b, and c anything, but not zero simultaneously. I have told you the reason why you don't have to take this values zero simultaneously in a linear equation in one variable. Okay. So you can take a, b, and c anything. Like if I am taking a as 21, 21x plus 14y plus 16. So this is also a linear equation in two variable. Okay. Have you got the basic idea about the definition of linear equations in one and two variable? I can write anything here. Like I can write 2x plus 3y. This is also a linear equation in two variable. Okay. Thank you.